Coming up here is gonna be a challenge because do you think your car could survive a snowstorm? This is probably one of the most common questions anyone who lives in winter regions asks themselves. Well, today I'm taking my Land Rover Defender out for a spin to see if it handles a snowy day. And in this part of the state, we're supposed to be having the toughest day of the year, so it's the perfect time to find out if this car actually lives up to its hype. So let's hit the road and see what it's made of. Hi there, my name is Sharon, and welcome to this cozy corner of the internet where I share my travel adventures and life perspective as an African living in USA. Schools are closed today. I have to say that there's something undeniably special about driving in the snow. You know, the thrill of not knowing what's around the corner, the challenge of staying in control on slippery roads, and of course, the sheer beauty of a winter wonderland. The drive-thru seems empty, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. Go to the drive-thru. Otherwise, I usually just get out and go grab my coffee. But today, there's no one in the drive-thru, so that's where we're going. If you follow me, you know I just posted a video of going on a 5-hour experience on one of the most scenic train rides here in the Mid-Atlantic region, located in Western Maryland. But as someone who had never seen or driven snow until I moved to the US a few years ago, I've come to appreciate both the fun and the challenges that come with it. So today I'll tag you along as I drive my trusty Land Rover Defender through the snow to see if it can actually handle whatever winter throws at us. And spoiler alert, it's going to be a good adventure. Morning, I have a mobile order for Sharon.
2 lattes?
Yes.
Let's see if the window.
All right, thank you.
Yes, you want.
It's ready. Lattice picked up. Time to go explore. I didn't record getting the coffees because sometimes you just don't know if people want to be recorded. So you need to be respectful of people's spaces. But here are the lattes. One for me, one for hubby. Before I had this Land Rover Defender, I owned a Jeep Wrangler Willys, which I thought was perfect for tackling the snow, and it really was. But since we had a baby, it was time to change into something more grounded, I would say. So that's why we got the Land Rover Defender, because I felt like it would be better for our baby. What kind of car do you drive? What's your dream car for a snowy day like this? Or even if you don't have snow in your area, just let me know what's your dream car. Yeah. And you know what? We have 11 months to make that dream a reality. So you got to get to work. Hold on, baby. As you can see, the snow is gone. They said it was going to be 2 to 4 inches, like a lot of snow. I don't know what happened. But we are going to find more snow to drive on, because this is what we like to do. We like to have fun. we're going to drive on the snow. Are you excited? Driving in the snow isn't just about fun, it's about staying safe. And one of the biggest challenges is maintaining traction. It's so easy to spin out or lose control, especially if you're not used to winter conditions. But the Land Rover Defender's advanced traction control system and clever terrain response settings are a game changer. And if you don't know, this is it's already a 4WD, so it should be good for ice, snow, even rocky trails. And I can switch the mode depending on the terrain, but so far I really haven't taken it to any kind of off-roading. Ni Oakland hapa Carnegie.
Ndio.
Aya.
Ni like 5 minutes from hapo Carnegie.
But sasa Kali anataka kwenda yeah.
Ni hapo karibu tu.
Ndio nataka kuweka address ya children's music. Kali anakuambia sijui nini.
Oh, you got strawberries?
Yeah.
That's cool. I got blueberries.
Unasahau niko kwa gari.
Yeah, nenda Jentigo, nenda kununua kitu ya kupika. Nataka kufanya meal prep.
Oh, nice. Truth be told, I would like to take this Defender to the ultimate test, but I'm driving with my son, so safety first. Instead, we'll just explore some snowy neighborhoods and enjoy the beauty of winter without being too reckless. I have to mention that the heated windshield and mirrors definitely help with the ice and snow buildup, so I can just focus entirely on the road ahead with no fear of getting stuck. And as you can see, the scenery is actually beautiful. I love driving in the snow. You'll realize that a lot of the main highway is already cleaned up and the snow is not on the road, but when you drive more towards the neighborhoods, that's where you will find a lot of snow on the road. Sometimes they take a while to come and clear the roads, sometimes they do it so fast. I mean, this is definitely a fun adventure if your car can handle the snow, and you need to be safe. So a lot of us change our tires towards winter because you need to have good tires for this kind of weather. So if you're planning on relocating here, that is just something to keep in mind. Green light. One more thing you have to do is take your car to the car wash, because the salt used on the road for anti-ice can cause rust to your car if you don't clean it up. So there's no way, dude, there's no way I'm taking my car home like this.
Please enter payment now. Your payment is being processed now.
Okay, me too. I'm ready.
Where did he go? It's so dark.
It's dark.
So dark in here.
Okay, I'm gonna have to move a little bit backwards. Said stop. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work. Oh, that is so beautiful. I always like the colors. Park the car, switch it off. Oh, that is so beautiful. Okay, let's see the back. I love this red. It's such a cute red. I can go to a touchless car wash. It's green. Like literally any time of the day. I just love a touch-free car wash. My car doesn't get banged around with those You know, when you go to the soft touch, it will leave like micro lines on your car. So for me, I just like the touchless. No harm on my car. Then summertime, clean my car at home. Oh, this is so soothing. It's so calming. Is it fun?
Yeah.
So here we are, giving the Defender a much deserved rings after tackling today's snowy roads. It's only fair to give it a little TLC. I mean, really, without a doubt, the Land Rover Defender is just the perfect companion for handling any kind of winter weather. But you have to be cautious. Remember to be cautious whenever you're driving. Yeah, we're gonna get a nice rings now. We're doing pretty well in the snow with this car. I think it's an automatic 4WD because I don't have to change any settings. All right, now it's drying. Let's see how it's gonna work. What is that? It's drying. If you've got any snowy driving stories or tips, I'd love to hear them. Drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow adventure lovers for more adventures like this. Stay cozy, stay safe, and keep exploring. Ciao.